Hello students, welcome back to my channel NJ Math World. Today I am here to explain you Vector Calculus Engineering first semester module 2 question. If x equals t square plus 1, y equals 4t minus 3 and z equals 2t square minus 60 represents parametric equation of the curve, then determine the unit vector tangent vector at the point on t, the angle between the tangents at t equals 1 and t equals 2. So let us prove this. To solve this, let me take solution. So solution here, let us take, we know that r vector equals xi plus yj plus zk. So now let me substitute the values of x, y and z in the equation. So we get r vector equals t square plus 1 I plus 4t minus 3j plus 2t square minus 6tk. So now we need to find the tangent. So here, how to find tangent? We know the formula. Tangent equals d differentiation of r, that is dr by dt with respect to t. Differentiating r with respect to t will be the tangent. So here, what is the tangent? Tangent is differentiation of t, that is less r with respect to t. So we'll differentiate, t square will be 2t differentiation plus 1 will be 0 I plus 4, t will be 1, differentiation of t will be 1 minus constant will be 0 j plus 2, differentiation of t square will be 2t minus 6, differentiation of t is 1 into k. So now that will become 2t into I plus 4j plus 4t minus 6k. So this is our tangent t. Now we need to find the unit vector tangent. The so here, unit tangent unit tangent vector, that will be t cap will be t vector divided by mod of t vector, that will be 2ti plus 4j plus 4t minus 6k divided by root of, you have to take the coefficients of I, j, k and square them and then find the root, that will be 2t whole square plus 4 square plus 4t minus 6 square. So let me find the value for 4t minus 6 square. So it will be a minus b whole square. So it will be a square, that is 4t square plus b square, that will be 6 square minus 2 into a into b. So that will be 6. That will be 4 4s are 16 t square plus 6 6 are 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 6 are 48 t. So now we will just substitute that value, that will be 2ti plus 4j plus 4t minus 6k divided by root of 2 2s are 4t square plus 4 4s are 16 plus 16t square plus 36 minus 48t. So now that can be further written as, we can write this as, that will be 2 can be taken common out, so it will be ti plus 2j, we are taking 2 common, so 2 2 is 4 plus 2t minus 2 3 is 6k divided by root of, you can see 4 plus 16 is 20 t square, 20 t square minus 48 t, then 16 plus 36 is 52. So now we can further simplify this as, we can further write this as, here it can be written as 2 into ti plus 2j plus 2t minus 3k divided by, We can take 4 as common, that is 4. If it comes out of the root, it becomes 2. Root of, it is 4 we are taking out, so it will be 4 5s are 20, that is 4 5t square minus 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 12t plus 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. That will be, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Therefore t vector equals ti plus 2j plus 2t minus 3k divided by root of 5t square minus 12t plus 13. So this is now to find the angle between the tangent at a t is equals to 1 and t is equals to 2. So we got a tangent equals 2ti plus 4j plus 4t minus 6k is the tangent vector. So now we need to find at t is equals to 1. So when t equals 1, what happens? We have to substitute the value of t in tangent vector, that will be at t is equals to 1. What we get? So we get here 2 into t is 1 I plus 4 j plus 4 into 1 minus 6 k. So that will be 2 I plus 4 j plus 4 minus 2 is minus 2. It will be minus 2. I'll take minus 2 k. So this will be a t at tangent equals 1. Then we will take that, we'll call it as a vector. Then we'll take it as a tangent when t equals 2. T equals 2. So what we get? That will be t vector, or what t is equals to 2, we get 2 into 2i plus 4j plus 4 into 2 minus 6k. So that will be 2 2s are 4i plus 4j plus 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 6 is 2k. So this we'll call it as b vector. So we have a vector and b vector. So now you need to find, we have to find the angle. Let theta be the angle. Let theta be the angle between the tangent, then wave equals cos theta equals a vector into b vector divided by mod a vector into mod b vector. So that will be, a vector is 2i plus 4j minus 2k into, we have is b is 4i plus 4j plus 2k divided by root of coefficient of I, that is 2 square plus 4 square plus minus 2 whole square, then root of 4 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. So that will be, yeah, now that will be, now when you have dot product, we have to just multiply the number. 4 2s are 8 plus 4 4s are 16 minus, plus into minus is minus, 2 2s are 4, divided by root of 4 plus 16 plus 4, then into root of 16 plus 16 plus 4. That will be, now 16, that is 8 plus 16 minus 4 will be 20, that is 20. 8 minus 4 is 4, 16 plus 4 is 20, divided by root of 16 plus 4 is 10, 20, 20 plus 4 is 24, root of, here 16 plus 16 is 32, 32 plus 4 is 36. So that can be written as 20 root of 64, 24 can be written as 4 6 are 24, and this 36 root is 6. So yeah, it can written as 4 comes out, it becomes 2 root 6 into 6 divide 20, that will be 20 divided by 6 2s are 12 root 6. So yeah, it goes 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, so that will be 5 by 3 root 6 will be the answer. That is the angle of that is cos theta. Cos theta is 5 divided by 3 root 6, so theta will be cos inverse of 5 divided by 3 root 6. So this is the angle between the tangent at t is equals to 1 and t is equals to 2. Problem number 2. Find the angle between the tangent to the curve where r vector equals t minus t cube by 3I plus t square j plus t cube by 3k at t is equals to plus or minus 3. So here we need to find the tangent first. The tangent of the curve, that is t vector will be equal to dr vector divided by dt vector. This is the tangent of the curve. So we need to differentiate the r vector. So here differentiation we will do. That will be t differentiation is 1. We are doing differentiation with respect to t. So t is 1 minus t cube will be 3t square divided by 3. This I as it is. Then plus t square will be 2t and j as it is. Then plus. Then here it is t will be 1, then plus t cube will be 3t square divided by 3 into k. So now you get this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, so you get 1 minus t square into I plus 2tj plus 1 plus t square into k. So this is your tangent to the curve t vector. Now we have to find tangent of the curve at they have given the point at t is equals to plus 3. If it is t is plus 3, what we get answer when t equals plus 3. So we have to substitute in place of t as plus 3. So that will be 3 1 minus 3 square into I plus 2 into 3 into j plus 1 plus 3 square into k. So now that will be 1 minus 3 square is 9. I plus 2 threes are 6j plus 1 plus 3 threes are 9k. So now it will be 1 minus 9 will be minus 8I plus 6j plus 9 plus 1 will be 10k. So this will be your first value, that will be called as a vector. Now we'll check at t is equals to minus 3. If it t is minus 3, what will be t tangent to the curve at t is equals to minus 3. Now substitute the value as minus 3. So it will be 1 minus in this formula. So 1 minus that will be minus 3 square I plus 2 into minus 3 into j plus 1 plus minus 3 whole square into k. So now it will be 1 minus any negative number when it is squared it will become positive. So it will be plus 3 threes are 9. So it will be 1 minus 9 I plus plus into minus will be minus 2 into 3 is 6j, it will be minus 3 6j, then plus 1 minus 3 square is 9, that will be plus 1 plus 9k. So it will be 1 minus 9 is minus 8I minus 6j plus 9 plus 1 is 10k. So this will be your second value, that will be called as b vector. So now they are asking you to find the angle. So angle formula is cos theta equals a vector dot b vector divided by magnitude of a vector into b vector, magnitude of b vector, or determine, that is mod of a vector into mod of b vector. So yeah, we can write this as a vector is what we have, minus 8I plus 6j plus 10k into, we have other one is minus 8I plus minus 6j plus 10k. So divided by you have that is you have to take the constant of ijk and square them, that will be minus 8 square plus 6 square plus 10 square, then plus of root of minus 8 square plus 6 square plus 10 square plus 10 square, that will be, yeah, it will be we have to multiply. If it is dot product, minus into minus become plus. 8 8s are 64. Then it will be plus into minus is minus. 6 6 are 36. It will be 36. Then it is 10 plus into plus is plus. 10 10s are 100 divided by root of 8 8s are 64 plus 36. 10 10s are 100. So the same for the other one also. 8 8s are 64, 6 6 are 36, 10 10s are 100. So here we have 100 minus 64, 64 100 plus 64, 164, 164 minus 36 will be 128 divided by root of 64 plus 100 is 164 plus 30 is 200. So it will be 200 and root 200. So you can write this as 128 divided by root of 200 square. Square and root will get cancelled. You get 128 divided by 200. So if you cancel this, we get we can take here 5 4 4 threes are 4 fives are 20, 4 zeros are 0, 4 threes are 12, 4 twos are 8. Again we can take 4 ones are no 4 no. We can take here 2 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, and here 2 fours are 8, 1 carry, 2 fives are 10. That will be 16 by 45. 16 by 45. So here the answer will be theta. What will be theta? Theta will be cos inverse of the answer what we got, that is 16 by 45 is the angle of the tangent to the curve. Find the unit tangent to the curve. So we have to find the unit tangent to the curve. So what is unit tangent of the curve? That will be t cap will be t cap will be t vector divided by determine, that is magnitude of t vector. That will be here. First we need to find a t vector. So here what will be t vector? T vector will be dr vector divided by dt vector dt. That is, we are going to differentiate r with respect to t. So yeah, differentiation of cos will be minus 2 sine 2t I, plus differentiation of sine will be 2 cos 2t into j, then plus t will be 1 into k. Then if you write this as really minus 2 sine 2t I plus 2 cos 2t j plus k. So this is your t vector. T vector. Now we will be finding by using the formula, we write it as t cap will be t vector divided by magnitude of t vector. That will be minus 2 sine 2t I plus 2 cos 2t j plus k divided by root of it is minus, that is minus 2 sine 2t square plus 2 cos 2t square plus 1 square. So now we can write this as minus 2 sine 2t I 2t I plus 2 cos 2t j plus k divided by, so yeah, it will be root of so minus 2 sine will be 2 2 it is 4 4 sine square t 2t square 2t plus 4 cos square 2t plus 1. So now if you take here common, that will be 4. If you take common, it will become minus 2 sine 2t I plus 2 cos 2t j plus k divided by, we can simplify this here. I'll just simplify. That will be root of 4. If I take common, it will become sine square 2t plus cos square 2t 2t plus 1. By using the identity, sine square t plus cos square t is 1, so it will become root 4 into 1 plus 1, that will be root of 4 plus 1, that will be root 5. So this will become root 5. That is your t cap, that is unit vector, unit tangent to the curve. Now they have given x value as x is x is equals to 1 by root 2. So now how to find this, if x is 1 by root 2? So we know that r vector equals, xi equals xi plus yj plus zk. So now comparing both the uh, r vectors values, so we can see x is equals to, here it is cos 2t. So now cos 2t, and then here it is 1 by root 2. So yeah, it will be cos 2t is equals to 2t will be 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, cos inverse of 1 by root 2, that is cos inverse of 1 by root 2. So yeah, 2t will be, when is cos inverse of 1 by root 2, it is pi by 4. So t will be pi by 4, and this 2 it is multiplied if it goes denominator. So t will be pi by 8. So we get a t value as pi by 8. It will substitute in the value of a unit tangent, that is t is equals to minus 8. So t is equals to pi by 8. So it will be minus 2 sine 2 into t is pi by 8 into I plus 2 cos 2 into pi by 8 into j plus k divided by root of 5. So yeah, this will be 2 1 time, 2 4 times. Here also it is 2 1 time, 2 4 times. So we get minus 2 sine pi by 4 into I, pi by 4 into I. Then plus 2 cos pi by 4 into j plus k, divided by root 2, 5. So now minus 2, what is sine pi by 4? Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So it will be 1 by root 2 plus 2 cos 45 degrees again 1 by root 2 into j, this is I, and plus k divided by root 5. So now what happens? If it is 2 root 2, we can write that as root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. Any number can be written in the product of surds, so we'll cancel one. So the answer will be root 2. So the answer will come here minus, that is minus root 2i, then plus root 2j plus k divided by root 5, will be the unit vector, unit tangent at at x is equals to 1 by root 2. A particle moves along with curve whose parametric equations are x is equals to e power t, y is equals to 2 cos 3t, and z is equals to 2 sin 3t, where t is the time. Find the velocity and acceleration at any point t, and also their magnitude at t is equals to 0. So here we have we know that solution. We know that x r vector equals xi plus yj plus zk. So substituting I, x, y, z values here, we get e to the power of ti plus 2 cos 3tj plus 2 sin 3tk 3tk is your r vector. Now we need to find what? We need to find the velocity and acceleration. So now velocity is nothing but velocity equals dr vector divided by dt vector, that is dr vector divided by dt vector is the velocity. So here velocity will find, that is we have to differentiate r, that will be e power t will be e power t and I as it is plus 2 cos 3t will be minus 3 sin 3t 3t into j, then plus 2 sin 3t will be cos, that is 3 cos 3t into k. So now if you write this, it will be e to the power of t I plus into minus is minus 2 3s are 6 sine 3t j plus 2 3s are 6 cos 3 k j 3t k 3tk. So now we got the value, that is v vector, that is velocity at the given point t. Now next we will be finding what is we'll find the acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but it is dv vector divided by dt vector. We have to differentiate dv, or we can write dr d square r vector divided by dt dt square. We have to differentiate, double differentiation r vector. It is the both the same. Now we have to differentiate v vector. V vector will be e power t, will be e power t I as it is, minus 6 will be as it is, then sine 3t will be 3 cos 3t into j, then plus 6 will be as it is, then cos 3t will be minus 3 sine 3t into k. So now it will be e power t I minus 6 3 is a 18 cos 3 t j, plus into minus plus into minus minus 6 3 is a 18 sine 3t into k. This 3t is the angle which we have. So now that is your a, that is acceleration at the point, at any point t. So now we got a both. Now we have to find the magnitude. We have to find the magnitude at t is equals to 0. So what will be magnitude of v vector? V vector magnitude will be root of what is here they've given? It is e to the power of t whole square minus, that will be e power, that is plus, that is uh, minus 6 sine 3t whole square, then plus that will be 6 cos 3t whole square. So yeah, that will be. Now what is here t, that is at t is equals to 0. We should find at t is equals to 0. So v vector at t is equals to 0 will be here represent in the place of t as 0, that will be e power 0 whole square plus minus 6 sine 3 into 0 whole square plus 6 into cos 3 into 0 whole square. So yeah, we can see it will get it as, we get this as root of anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, certainly 1 square. 1 square minus sine 0 is 0, so the whole term becomes 0 here. Then plus 6 6 are 36, cos 1 cos 0 will be 1, cos 0 will be 1, so it will be into 1. So that will be root of 1 plus 36 plus 1 is 37. 36 into 1 is 36. So 36 plus 1 will be 37. So this will be the magnitude of velocity at t is equals to 0. Then we have to find the acceleration. What will be the acceleration? So then we need to find the magnitude of acceleration, that will be root of e to the power of t whole square minus, that is plus 18 minus 18 cos 3t whole square plus minus 18 sin 3t whole square. Now here magnitude at t is equals to 0, that will be root of e to the power of 0 square plus minus 18 cos 3 into 0 whole square, then minus that is plus minus 18 into sine 3 0 whole square. So yeah, that will be root of anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, so it will be 1 square plus it will be 18 square. 18 square is how much? 18 into 18, it will be 18 square. Here sine 0 will be 0, this whole term becomes 0, so here it will be 324 cos 0 is 1, 1 into 18 square will be 324, 324 plus 0. So here it will become root of 1 plus 324, that will be root of 325. So 325 can be written as, so root of 325 can be written as 25 into 13. So 25 into 13, that will be root of 25 root is 5, so 5 root 13. So 5 root 13 will be the magnitude of acceleration at a time t is equals to 0. Number 5, find the angle between the tangent to the curve. So here we have to find the angle to the curve. So let me take first Yeah, they have given, they will find tangent first, tangent of the curve. So tangent of the curve will be dr vector divided by dt. So dr is nothing but differentiation of r. So we'll differentiate r here. So it is differentiation of the r with respect to t, that will be 2t, t square will be 2t and I as it is, plus 2 differentiation of t will be 1 and j as it is, minus t cube is differentiation is 3t square and this k as it is. So now that will become t vector will be 2ti plus 2j minus 3t square k. Now we have to find with respect to the values of t, t is 1 and t is minus 1. So let me take at t is equals to plus 1. So here tangent at t is equals to plus 1. What will be that? In place of t we should write the value as 1. So it will be 1 I plus 2 into 1. There is no here, so it will be j as it is. Then minus 3 into 1 square into k. So that will be 2i plus 2j minus 3k. This will be called it as a vector. Then we will take at t is equals to minus 1. At t is equals to minus 1, that will be tangent at t is equals to minus 1. We get that as 2 into minus 1 I plus 2 into this j as it is, then minus 3 into minus 1 square k. That will be here again, it will be minus 2i plus 2j, then minus 3k, minus 3k. That will be your b vector value. So we got the a vector and b vector. Now we have to find the angle. So cos theta will be a vector into b vector divided by magnitude of a vector into magnitude of b vector. That will be, here it is 2i plus 2j minus 3k into dot product of minus 2i plus 2j minus 3k divided by root of, you have to take the coefficients of ijk and square them and add square and add them. That will be 2 and 2 square plus minus 3 square. Then again it is root of 2 minus 2 whole square plus 2 square plus minus 3 whole square. That will be here. Next one you have to multiply. Plus into minus is minus, 2 into 2 is 4. Then 2 plus it is 2 into 2 is again 4. Minus into minus is plus, 3 3s are 9. So now it is root of 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4 plus minus 3 square is 9 into 2 square is again 4, then again 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. So yeah, plus and minus will get cancelled, so you get 9 divided by root of 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17. So it will be root 17. So that can be written as 9 divided by square root of 17. Square and root will get cancelled, so it will be 9 by 17. So here cos theta is equals to 9 by 17. Then theta will be, angle will be cos inverse of 9 by 17 will be the answer. Angle. Find the unit tangent vector at the time t where r vector is equals to 3 cos t I plus 3 sin t j plus 4t k. So now we have to find the unit tangent vector. So what is unit tangent vector? That is, first we'll find the tangent. That is solution. We'll find the tangent, that will be r dr vector divided by dt. That is differentiating r with respect to t. So we will differentiate. That will be 3 cos will become minus sine t and this I as it is plus 3. Then the differentiation of sine is cos t into j plus 4 plus 4 that will be plus, that will be 4 and t will be 1 into k. Then if we'll get it minus 3 sine t I plus 3 cos t j plus 4k. So this is your t. So to find unit vector, we need to find unit vector will be t vector divided by tangent vector divided by magnitude of the tangent vector. That will be minus 3 sine t I plus 3 cos tj plus 4k divided by root of, that will be minus 3 sin t whole square plus square plus 3 cos t whole square plus 4 square. So that will be equal to minus 3 sin t I plus 3 cos tj plus 4k divided by root of 3 3s are 9 sin square t plus 3 3s are 9 cos square t d plus of 4 4s are 16. So if you take 3 as 9 as common, it becomes, I'll just simplify and then I'll write it here. That will be root of 9. I can take common. It will become sine square t plus cos square t plus 16. So it will be sine square t plus square t is 1. So it will be 9 into 1 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. So root 25 will be 5. So here we get minus 3 sine t I plus 3 cos tj plus 4k divided by 5, or we can write this as, separate them, denominator, so numerator minus 3 by 5 sin t I plus 3 by 5 cos t j plus 4 by 5 k.